The light in. Yes, let the light in your greenhouses and your polytunnels. Now is the perfect time to be getting them all ready for the growing season, as come March time is when I start sowing all my seeds. I go on mass production and get them all sown, and yeah, it can be a big and long job getting them all sown, but it's exciting getting ready for the new growth of the new year ahead. And that is the month when I start most of my seeds off, as that is it. Sometimes we get a little heat wave during Easter period, and that can help germinate the seeds. Absolutely fantastic. So that is when I start most of my seeds off in March time. I've got all my winter jobs done throughout all the winter, got all my plot clear, got it all ready, because March is the time when I'm concentrating on sowing my seeds and repotting them all on, and that takes a lot of time down here at the allotment to get all that done and tended during the year. So what I mean by getting the light in your greenhouse and your polytunnel, because during the winter months your greenhouse and polytunnel may have started getting moldy, it might have started getting dirty, and yeah, a lot of my polytunnel skin, as you can see, you can't see through it because it's that dirty throughout the winter period. And it's a great time to be indoors and get it all cleaned and washed down with soapy water and disinfectant. The reason why we use disinfectant is because, say if you've had like tomato blight in your greenhouse or your polytunnels and stuff like that, that can go dormant during the winter months, and then it can reignite when it starts to get warmer. So that is the reason why we like to disinfect it all down. So clean all your like steel work down, your metal, your potting bench, everything like that. Clean it all down, ready for sowing in March time, and then that's one job ticked off your list. And like today, it's absolutely chucking it down here at the plot, so it's great to be indoors and getting all them jobs done. And there's always something to be done down at the plot, never a day when you can't not do anything. Now I come down every weekend and spend it down here, whether it's rainy, sunny, thundery, snowy. I've been down in the snow last week, but there's always jobs to be done indoors when it's nasty weather, and that is a great job to get done. It can take a lot of time and a lot of effort, and sometimes like your allotment site may not have water turned on during the winter months, which is like me, so you might have to bring water down yourself to help clean it. But get yourself a disinfectant spray and use that to wash it down with, and then give it a good rinse down afterwards, and then it'll all be prepared, ready for the sowing season come March time, and you'll be able to get all your seeds sown, and then you'll be able to sit back and relax while they all grow, as if we'd be able to do that. There's always something to do down here. So yeah, let the light in, get your greenhouses cleared, and get them all ready for sowing. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.